What's up, friction welding fanatics? I hope you're having a good week like we are at Taylor-Winfield. Having some fun welding up some CDA 110 copper to itself. About a half-second weld time. That's easy compared to this one. Copper to aluminum. A CDA 110 to 6061 aluminum. I'd like to talk to you quickly today about the differences between traditional linear friction welders and the new line of linear friction welders that Taylor-Winfield Technologies is bringing to mainstream manufacturing. Linear friction welding has been around 25 to 35 years, and basically it's been used to manufacture components of jet engines. And really, the only companies that could afford to buy these machines were manufacturers of jet engines. Now Taylor-Winfield is bringing this line so that everybody can benefit from this amazing solid-state bonding technology and bring it into their mainstream manufacturing process. We do this because we have the ability to give you a faster return on your investment, because our machines are a lower cost, much smaller footprint, easier to operate. We use our patented electromechanical oscillation device, which gives you amazing process control over the traditional hydraulics that are used to oscillate. Welding similar materials together, different geometries together, less material prep, less material loss, tremendous amount of benefits out there for this process. You could weld parts together, giving you a full interface bond. And guess what? You don't have to build jet engines to buy this. Please give me a call, send me an email. We want to find out how we can incorporate this amazing process into your mainstream manufacturing process, allowing you to share in the benefits that we see. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you soon. Bye.